Changing the oil on your Honda Forza 250 is pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Here's how you can change Honda Forza 250 oil step by step without making it feel like a chore. Shatter 1. Warm it up a bit. Start the scooter and let it run for 3 to 5 minutes. This warms up the oil so it flows out easily. Just don't let it get too hot. You don't want to burn your hands. 2. Get your tools ready. You'll need a 17mm socket wrench for the drain bolt, oil catch pan, funnel, clean rag. New engine oil for Honda Forza 250, around 1.2 to 1.4 liters of 10 watt L30 or 10 watt E40 depending on climate. Crush washer, optional but recommended if it's worn out. 3. Locate the drain bolt. The Honda Forza 250 oil drain bolt is under the engine, usually on the left side. Slide your oil pan underneath and get ready to loosen the bolt. 4. Drain the old oil. Using your wrench, unscrew the drain bolt. Oil will come pouring out, so make sure that pan is in the right spot. Let it drain completely, no rush here. You want all the old oil out before putting in fresh stuff. 5. Check the drain bolt and washer. Inspect the bolt and crush washer. If the washer looks squished or damaged, replace it. Then, reinstall the bolt and tighten it snugly, but don't over-tighten. 6. Add new oil. Pop open the oil filler cap. It's on the left side near the footboard, and use a funnel to pour in the new Honda Forza engine oil slowly. Start with about 1.2 liters, then check the dipstick to make sure you're in the safe range. Run the engine and recheck. Start the engine again for a minute to let the oil circulate, then shut it off. Wait a minute and check the level one more time with the dipstick. Top off if needed. 8. Clean up and dispose properly. Wipe any drips, clean your tools, and don't forget to properly dispose of the used oil, either at a local garage or recycling center. And that's it. You've successfully done your own Honda Forza 250 oil change. Not only does it keep your engine happy, but it also gives you a bit more bonding time with your ride. Want to change the oil filter next time too? That's a simple add-on and helps keep things running even smoother.
Belum.